Hello there, my name is Dr. Greg Omadi, and I'll be taking you through this exciting course, Image Design and Animation Development. I welcome you to this first lecture. The topic to be discussed is image processing and design. At the end of this lecture, it is expected that you will be able to do the following: explain imaging, image development, and image processing. 2. Understand the concept of design. 3. Be able to discuss various image formats. Pay attention to these important keywords. And that is, number 1, technology. Number 2, two-dimensional. 3, image. Introduction. Images are used in different areas of our societies and life. They are applied both professionally and our personal lives. Most people have had an image of them drawn or been taken with a camera and printed on a photo paper. In today's society, technology has made it easier. We have gadgets which one can use to produce and store images in digital form. Basic devices such as your mobile phones can be used to create and store images in digital forms. Images are created for various purposes. It can be for either personal use or professional purpose. Now, images. Simply put, an image can be said to be a two-dimensional signal. In mathematics, for instance, it can be defined by functions, function x, y, where x and y are the two coordinates horizontally and vertically. The value of function xy at any point gives the pixel value at that point of an image. Furthermore, digital image can be described as a numerical representation of two-dimensional image. In digital image creation, data is converted into a digital form by method of sampling and quantization. It can simply be put as sampling and quantization that generates a two-dimensional array of matrix of numbers. Now, uses of digital imaging in various fields and professions. 1. Image sharpening and restoration. Medical field, remote sensing, transmission and encoding, robot vision, among others. Practically, digital imaging has improved research in medical fields by showing clearly improved X-ray and MRI scan, amongst others. In the defense sector, satellite imagery has been improved greatly with clearer pictures. Having discussed images and its uses, may we now talk about its processing. Image processing. When image processing is mentioned, it is referring to a process, or other words, methods whereby an image is converted to a digital format and certain actions are executed on it with the aim of enhancing the image or extracting relevant details from it. Image processing can be classified as a form of signal dispensation, whereby the input an image, video or photograph, and output may be image or features related to the input image. Now, the steps involved in image processing. Firstly, the image is imported from a source, which can be a camera, scanner, etc. Secondly, the image is then analyzed and manipulated. This can include image enhancement. The final image is then exported, which completes the processing. Now, what are the types of image processing? We have analog image processing and have the digital image processing. I'll take you to the analog image processing. Analog image processing involves executing on two-dimensional analog signals. In this type of processing, the images are manipulated by varying the electrical signals. Analog processing can be used for the hard copies like printouts and photographs. Digital Digital imaging, on the other hand, entails digital processing, involves manipulation of digital images through digital computer. It is a subfield of signals and systems, but emphasizes particularly on images at the system input. Digital image is the field the system processes the image using efficient algorithm and gives an image as an output. Now, application of image processing. Remote sensing. For the application, sensors capture the pictures of the Earth's surface in remote sensing. Satellites or multi-spectral scanner, which is mounted on an aircraft. These pictures are processed by transmitting it to the Earth station. Techniques used to interpret the objects and regions are used in flood control, city planning, resource mobilization, agricultural production, monitoring, etc. Defense surveillance. The important duty is to divide the various objects present in the image. Parameters such as length, breadth, area, compactness are set up to classify each of divided objects. Recognizing the distribution of these objects in different directions is important to explain interpreting images. We can interpret the entire scenario from the spatial distribution of these objects. Very quickly, I want you to take down this self-assessment question. Do you think effective or efficient algorithm has to be involved for image processing to take place? Raster and vectors. We want to discuss raster and vectors. Simply put, raster image is a collection of pixels, one or more pixels. In manipulating a raster image, each pixel can be controlled individually. In order for a raster image to have a smooth appearance, it requires higher resolution and anti-aliasing. They are best suited for photographs and images with shading raster. Raster image can also be referred to as bitmap. Analyzing a vector from the mathematics perspective, it is a combination of magnitude and direction which can be used to relate relationships between points. A vector name or image is an assembly of one or more vectors. Here, the entity to be controlled is the vector. Vector graphics can be transformed without data loss from one state to the other. We have discussed overview of image processing and design. Thank you so much for participating in this lecture. I shall see you in the next lecture. Bye for now.